Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Marlboro Nissan, we have the 2024 Nissan Ariya Platinum Dual Motor. This one's finished in copper over the blue-gray interior. Absolutely gorgeous spec. First time even sitting in an Ariya. I do absolutely love it. Suede trim all throughout, Bose sound. Look at this blue-gray interior. Suede headliner, or I should say suede pillars. Wow, just wow, wow, wow. Chow. Just check this out. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Plenty of room in the back. Oh, I love the copper trim on the floor mats. Even more storage underneath there. Sticker price as tested, $57,800. Obviously the premium paint with the two-tone, so it's the copper down low, black through the roof. 389 horsepower is what this is rated at. 87 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery. Pretty darn cool. Obviously your charge port here. Oh, that's pretty cool. That opens up with it. You close it. Huh, I like that. I wonder if this is a frunk or not. Let's check that out real quick. Nope, not a frunk. It's an engine. Well, a motor. Oh, these orange wires mean touch them when your hands are wet. That's gonna be a good time. Just kidding, that means high voltage. Don't mess with those. Awesome. Let's go ahead. Take a seat. I didn't really know much about this car before going in. You have copper trim all throughout. Again, suede accents, that Bose sound. Very, very open and airy cockpit. I love this. Integrated into the wood trim are your climate controls. I love that. Also, check this out. You'll see there's a cubby here. Press open. That opens up, and then you can have a little meal table. Like if you wanted to have some sushi or something. Pretty cool. And to close it up, we just have to hold it. I wonder what this button was for. Well, that's to move this. I love that. That's awesome. Wireless charging. Again, another little cubby there. Sunglasses holder. Your E-step is regenerative braking. A couple different controls here. Your headlight swivels, heads-up display, all that information here. Oh wow, I just noticed this dash screen is set in, it's obviously dual screens, but it's set in here and popped out a little bit here. I do like that, and it actually has a nice curve to it. Nice, easy to use. Does it have it built in? Hey Google. Nope, not built in, or either that, not active. For your heated steering wheel and seat controls, that is right there. Go ahead, turn that off. Music in there. Home screen, good to go. A couple different drive modes, all controlled here. You have Sport, Standard, Eco, Snow. Awesome. Automatic parking. That's a really nice house, I have to say. That is just a really nice house. Obviously, you do, being an electric vehicle, you have that low speed sound. You do have virtual rearview mirror. Very much a odd shaped steering wheel, flat bottom design, very unique airbag cover. So I was curious to see how this was going to be to use around town in situations like this. It's easy. I love the grips, the bolsters. I love it. The crazy part about this car is being an electric vehicle is the instantaneous torque. There is so much power. It is insane. I mean, it's not a Model S Plaid or anything like that, but it does have a nice engine note to it. Obviously, it's not Porsche Taycan where it's kind of in your face about it. No, it's good. It's good. I really do like it. Is it only? Yeah. It's only in sport mode that it does that. And I'm sure in the settings, I didn't go through it. You can disable that if you so desire. Brake pedal feel good. Obviously, you have a lot of regen. One thing about this area is these roads are microscopic. If I was in my Boxster, I'd be very nervous right now. I've actually driven these roads in a 720S. That was a very, very scary experience. But I do notice, obviously, being a dual motor electric car, batteries are sat down low. It's gonna make this car really fun to drive, really good handling. And that instant torque is gonna claw you out of corners. It's just, I don't know, electric cars, while I don't think personally I'd adopt them yet, they're getting really darn close. And, you know, if there was a really, really good lease deal, stuff like that, I would absolutely consider picking one up as a daily. Let me see what it does from a dig. Yeah, so it's not instant off the line torque, but you know what? People buying this aren't buying a Model S Plaid. They're not gonna want that instant crazy acceleration. It's absolutely perfect for what it is. Some of the houses out here are just outrageous, I gotta say. This is a really playful car. I do like this a lot. Man, this area is just gorgeous. Oh, that's not what I wanted to see coming around the corner. Holy crap. That's like the exact opposite of what I wanted to see. Wow, okay. Wow. But yeah, the Ariya, man, it's a nice car. I'm definitely pleasantly surprised with it. I like it a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.